The very next number that you're going to see says F, and that stands for frequency, 16. And so that means that the ventilator is programmed to deliver 16 breaths per minute. The next setting is VT, that's tidal volume, and it is set to 350 in this particular ventilator. So that means that the patient is going to be getting a preset amount of volume set to 350 centimeters of water with every breath. Moving over just a little bit, we're going to skip a couple of those other settings. I want you to look at O2 where it says 50%. This is the programmed FiO2 or fraction of inspired oxygen. So this patient is on 50% FiO2. Directly below the FiO2, it says PEEP of 5. This is positive end expiratory pressure. So this is that little extra push of pressure at the end of exhalation to help keep the alveoli open.